Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial at Aspire Hosting. In this video, we'll be showing you how to SSH into your VPS server and also how to install an operating system on it. So right now, as you can see, I'm on my Aspire Hosting VPS panel. There's a server here which is waiting for the setup. So we can just click manage and we just have to continue with filling the details. Time zone can be anything. It doesn't really have to matter. Choose a host name of your choice or leave it as it is because it's optional. Then you can go to the name field. So maybe you could type something like tutorial purpose. You could just select it as that, or you could also select the random button for it to be random. But again, I want it to be named tutorial purpose. So I'm going to just rename it to tutorial purpose. So now I can also select the operating system over here. So as you can see, there's an operating system here called Ubuntu. So this is the one which is mainly used for production. People also use Debian over here. But if you really want to use it for production, we recommend using Ubuntu. Or there's also Windows over here if you wish to create a Windows server. But right now I'll be installing Ubuntu. It's highly recommended to either go through 22 or 24. So we can just go through 24. Now you can select the swap space if you wish to. So this would be the swap space of your VPS's memory. So maybe if your VPS is of 8 GB RAM, it's going to have a swap of 512. Now you can also add SSH keys, but to add an SSH key, you need to enter over here and add an SSH key. So you need to actually have a public key. So I'll be showing you how to create a public key in another tutorial. So you can just follow the playlist that I'll be making with these videos. So going back to the panel, we just need to continue with installing it. So you can just click install without. So now let's just wait for it to install. So as you can see, the VPS server has actually started successfully. To actually know that, you can just scroll down here and notice that the build has been completed and it also shows that it's running. So the next step would be to SSH into it. So you can click network, or you just need to copy the IP address. Then you can continue to open command prompt. So that will be your SSH client to connect to the server. So you can do Windows R and click CMD. Now once you're in, you can do SSH space root. So root being the username. So actually you got to receive these details in an email. So as you're seeing right now, you can see an overlay over here. This is how the email is going to look. So now you can just proceed to do @ and then put the IP. And now you can just enter it, and you're always going to get a message like this when it's the first time. So you can just proceed to do yes. So now you need to type the password. So I have the password pasted here. So you can just press enter and I'll be in a few seconds. And as you can see, I'm in. So that's pretty much it when it comes to accessing a VPS server. There's also some additional things that you might want to do on a regular basis, such as apt upgrade and apt update. Make sure to put -ny so that it agrees to every confirmation. Also, I've done this early on purpose to show you that if you do receive such an error, it means that your VPS is still starting up and you need to give it time to start up. So you can just do Control and C on Windows. I mean, if you are using Windows, you can do Control C to exit the process, and you may rerun the command after a few seconds or after a few minutes. So maybe something like 5 minutes. And then you can type it again and it's going to update it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more similar content. See ya.